Liffey Valley Shopping Centre is one of Dublin's most popular and modern retail destinations, located in Clondalkin, West Dublin, just off the N4 and easily accessible by public transport. It is a vibrant, spacious shopping centre where visitors can enjoy fashion, food, beauty, entertainment, and everyday essentials all in one place. The center is also home to the impressive View Cinema, where you can enjoy the latest movies with your loved ones on the big screen, making it perfect for family time or a relaxing date night. And if you're interested in a Sunday service, you can visit Expectation Church, a welcoming Christian community that meets right here in Liffey Valley. If you love fashion, Liffey Valley offers an impressive variety of stores for every style. You can shop trendy pieces at Bershka, H&M, Claire's, Carragher, and Jack & Jones, or explore premium brands like Boss, Calvin Klein, CK, Diesel, Hobbs London, and Best Menswear. Popular favorites such as JD, Levi's, Lifestyle Sports, and Dunnes stores give you even more choice for men, women, and children. Readers, book lovers, and students can also shop at Dubray, Eason, and Tuthill's for books, news, magazines, and stationery. If you're looking for footwear, the center includes great stores like Echo, Shoe, Skechers, Timberland, Office, River Island, Zara, M&S, Lifestyle Sports, JD, and Bershka. For beauty and wellness, the center includes Beauty Boat, Boots, Dubai Perfume Shop, Holland & Barrett, L'Occitane en Provence, and Therapy Clinic, offering skincare, perfumes, supplements, and professional treatments. food lovers will find plenty to enjoy with a big selection of restaurants, cafes, and quick-eat options. You can try international flavors at Wagamama, Zizi, Cosmo, Zambrero, Ginseng, and Bujum, or choose classic favorites like Burger King, KFC, Five Guys, and Eddie Rockets. For coffee and sweet treats, visit Costa, Café Sol, Chocolate Cafe Butters, or enjoy something quick from Abracababra. Whether you want to shop, dine, relax, or simply walk around, Liffey Valley Shopping Centre offers everything in a comfortable and enjoyable environment. If you enjoy travel videos, walking tours, and shopping videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more beautiful and informative content from cities, shopping centers, and scenic places around the world. By subscribing, you'll never miss our new uploads, including night walks, city tours, travel tips, and relaxing videos that let you explore amazing locations from the comfort of your home. Thank you for watching, and we truly appreciate every like, comment, and subscription. Your support motivates us to keep filming and sharing new adventures with you.